children? I can see you're so happy today. That's great. Shall we have some fun singing a rhyme? Alright, let's start. Clap, clap, clap your hands together. Jump, jump, jump up high together. Turn, turn, turn around together. Clap, clap, clap your hands together. Wasn't it fun? It was very nice, isn't it? You all enjoyed it. So now children, it's learning time. So today we shall learn about the shape triangle. What are we going to learn today? The shape triangle. Children, do you know what a triangle is? Triangle is a shape which has got 3 sides. How many sides? 3 sides. A triangle has got 3 sides. Okay children? Now can you all make a triangle using your fingers like this? Can you all try? Yes, very good. This shape is called triangle. And a triangle has got 3 sides. And children, do you know something? Today somebody is going to come and meet you. Do you all want to meet him? Yes, wait for some time. I'll call him. Yes, who is this? He is Mr. Triangle. Can you see? Yes, very good. See, a triangle has got 3 sides. How many sides? Tell me children. 3 sides. And children have got some things for you which are in triangle shape. Do you want to see them? I'll show you. Yay! What is this? It's my lunch box. Can you see the shape of the box? What shape is the box? It is triangle shape. What shape is the box? Triangle shape. And I have something inside the box. Do you want to see it? Let me show you. What is this? It is a sandwich. What shape is a sandwich? It is triangle shape. Say children, it is triangle shape. Isn't it? Okay. What is this waving here? Can you see? It is a, yes, it is a flag. What shape is a flag? What shape? Triangle shape. Very good. A flag is triangle shape. And one more thing. What is this? You can see this in your wardrobe, isn't it? What is it called? A hanger. Very good. You hang your clothes in the hanger, isn't it? And what is the shape of the hanger? It is triangle shape. Very good. A hanger has got triangle shape. And children, you have learned the shape triangle. I hope you understood the shape triangle, isn't it? So children, you can find some things at home which has triangle shape. Can you find and name them which has got triangle shape? Will you all do that? Alright, very good. You can also take 3 ice cream sticks and join them to make a triangle. And now Mr. Triangle wants to sing a song for you. Are you all ready for the song? Get ready soon. I am a triangle, yes it's true. I have 3 sides, yes I do. I am a triangle, yes it's true. I have 3 sides, yes I do. And now Mr. Triangle wants to go. Say bye to Mr. Triangle. I don't want to go from here. I want to stay with you for some more time. Shall I bring my friend with me? Alright? Okay, I'll bring my friend with me. Yay! See, this is my friend. Say hi to my friend. Yes. See, how many triangles are there now? 2 triangles. In the beginning, there was 1 triangle. And one more triangle came and became 2 triangles. How many triangles are there now? 2 triangles. 1, 2, 2 triangles. Isn't it, children? Okay. How many eyes do you have? 1, 2. 2 eyes. How many? 1, 2, 2 eyes. How many ears do you have? 1, 2, 2 ears. 1, 2, 2 ears. How many hands do you have? 1, 2, 2 hands. How many hands, children? Tell me. How many hands? 1, 2. How many hands? 2 hands. Very good. How many legs do you have? 1, 2. 2 legs. How many legs? 1, 2. 2 legs. Shall we sing the rhyme, children? Are you all ready? Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 2 little eyes. 1, 2, 2 little ears. 1, 2, 2 little hands. 1, 2, 2 little legs. Sing it with me. 1, 2, 2 little eyes. 1, 2, 2 little ears. 1, 2, 2 little hands. 1, 2, 2 little legs. Did you enjoy the rhyme? In the last class, we learned the number 1, isn't it, children? Today, we shall learn the number 2. After the number 1 comes the number 2. What comes after number 1? Number 2. After the number 1 comes the number, say, number 2. Very good. I have some pictures on the board. Shall we all count them? Okay then. Wow, apples. Shall we count them? How many apples are there? 1, 2. 2 apples. 1, 2. 2 apples. How many triangles are there, children? Count them and tell me. 1, 2. 2 triangles. 1, 2. 2 triangles. Flowers. How many flowers are there? Shall we count them? 1, 2. 2 flowers. Same. 1, 2. 2 flowers. Lollipops. Yummy. Shall we count them? 1, 2. 2 lollipops. How many lollipops, children? 1, 2. 2 lollipops. Very good. I have clay boxes in my hand. Count them and tell me how many are there? 1, 2. 2 boxes. Count them. 1, 2. 2 clay boxes. Very good. How many balls are there in my hand? Can you count them? 1. Tell me. 2. Very good. 1, 2. 2 balls. Very good, children. Did you all understand how to count number 2? It's very easy, isn't it? Now, let's learn how to trace number 2. Let me show you. A curve from here, come down, and a sloping line. This is number 2. Let me show you once again. Start from here, draw a curve like this, come down, and a sleeping line. Did you all understand, children, how to write 2? Shall we do it once again? Okay. Draw a curve like this. Come down, and a sleeping line. Very easy, isn't it, children? You can practice it at home. So children, ask your mama to spread salt on a plate, and you can practice number 2 using your finger. And you can also learn counting 2 by counting your eyes, ears, your hands and your legs. Hello children, hello, hello. I'm very happy to see you all. Come on children, come on, come on. Today let's learn a new rhyme, a new rhyme. Are you ready for the new rhyme, children? Shall we start now? Okay then. Sing along with me, children. Come on children, let's sing it together. 2 little hands to clap, clap, clap. 2 little legs go tap, tap, tap. 2 little hands to clap, clap, clap. 2 little legs go tap, tap, tap. 2 little eyes are open wide. 1 little head goes side to side. 2 little eyes are open wide. 1 little head goes side to side, side to side. How was the rhyme, children? Did you enjoy the rhyme? Shall we sing it once again? 2 little hands to clap, clap, clap. 2 little legs go tap, tap, tap. 2 little hands to clap, clap, clap. 2 little legs go tap, tap, tap. 2 little eyes are open wide. 1 little head goes side to side. 2 little eyes are open wide. 1 little head goes side to side, side to side. Did you enjoy the rhyme, children? Keep singing the rhyme, children. I hope you had lots of fun singing the rhyme, isn't it? Keep singing the rhyme, children. See you in the next class. Love you all. Bye.